Hi guys, welcome with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix this version of WhatsApp become out of date. So guys, when you open your WhatsApp and facing this type of issue out of date problem, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after this, you need to open your Play Store in your phone. And guys, after this, here you need to search WhatsApp, and after searching it, simply you need to click on WhatsApp. And guys, here is the option of update. So guys, simply you need to click on update, and after updating, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your WhatsApp smoothly. So guys, if after update your problem is not fixed, then guys you need to go back, and the second method is you need to open your settings. And guys, after this, scroll it down, and here is the option of system. So guys, you need to click on it and click on date and time. And guys, after this, here is the option of use locate default. So guys, make sure that it is on. So guys, if it is off, then you need to on it. And the second is set time zone automatically. And guys, if it is off, then you need to on this too. And guys, after on these two features and update your WhatsApp, then your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open WhatsApp smoothly. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and facing this type of issue again and again, then guys, open your settings again. And guys, after this, you need to scroll down, click on app management, and click on app list. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down, and guys, here you need to find WhatsApp. And guys, after finding WhatsApp, you need to click on WhatsApp, and here is the option of storage and cache. Simply click on it. And guys, after this, simply you need to click on clear cache. And guys, after doing this, if still not fixed your problem, then guys, simply you need to uninstall your app. Click on OK. And guys, after uninstalling, you need to reinstall again from Play Store in your phone and log in again your account. Then your account will be fine and you will be able to use your WhatsApp smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.